Hello guys, welcome back to Devops Desk. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a Docker Hub account, set up a Docker repository, and how to generate a Docker token for secure access. This is the ultimate beginner-friendly guide. Before creating this Docker Hub account, we required one valid email ID. Okay, so let's get started. Now, open your browser and go to Docker Hub's official website at hub.docker.com, or you can search Docker Hub. You can see Docker Hub official website here. Click on this. You will land in Docker Hub homepage. Now to create Docker Hub account, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. Now you need to choose type of your account, work or personal. I'll select personal for practice purpose. You have to fill these details like email ID, username, and you need to set a strong password. So I'm entering my email as thedevopsdesk@gmail.com, and make sure to set your username as unique and professional, as it will appear in your Docker image URLs. I'm entering my username. You have to set up a strong password for your Docker Hub account. Enable this and click on sign up. Okay. Now you need to resolve this captcha for verification purpose. Let me select. Click on verify. After submitting the captcha, Docker Hub will send a confirmation mail to your email. Let's go to email and check our inbox. Refresh. I have received mail from Docker Hub. Open it. Click on this verify email address link to activate your Docker Hub account. After clicking this, it will redirect to Docker Hub login page. You can log in your Docker account by using username and password which we created. Let me enter my username and password. Click on continue. Your Docker Hub account is created. Here you can see Docker Hub homepage. Now let's create our first repository in our Docker Hub. Okay. Click on this. Select Docker Hub. Go to repositories. Yeah, currently there are no repositories available here. Let's create one. Select create a repository. Give your repository a meaningful name. I will give my repo name as devopsdesk repo, and add a description related to your repository. I am adding as repo for devopsdesk images, or anything you want. Okay. Now select visibility of your repository, either public or private. Public is anyone can access your images, whereas in private only you and authorized users can access it. So for practice purpose, I'll select public repo and click on create. Your first Docker Hub repository is created successfully. Here you can see username with your repo name, which will be tagged with your image URLs. We will discuss in the next sessions. And description. If you want to change description, click on edit and change. Add a category. You can select suitable category for your repo under this section. For now, I am not selecting any category. Tags. Currently we don't have any tagged images here. Along with these general things, you can see many tabs here following tags, builds, collaborators, settings, etc. So where we will discuss all these things in detail in the upcoming sessions. Okay. For now, let's skip. And you can push your Docker images from your local to this repo by using this command docker push as shown here. Okay. Now let's go to settings. You can check image security insights here. For public repo, by default, it will be none. You can change later as per the requirement. Here you can change visibility of your Docker repo from public to private or private to public. Okay. Now, if you want to delete this repo, okay, select delete repository here, enter your repo name, copy and paste it, click on delete. It will be deleted. Your repository is deleted now. Next, we will discuss about Docker token. A token is a safer alternative. Instead of using your password in scripts or the command line, you can use your Docker token. So to create this Docker token, go to your profile icon here, click on account settings. Scroll down. Under the security tab, you can see here personal access tokens. Click on this to create your access token. You have to enter token description here. I am entering it as devopsdesk and choose expiration date for this token. I'll leave it as none for now. I'm not selecting any expiration. We have access permissions as optional to select here. Choose one of the option below. I will select read, write, delete here. Okay. And click on generate to generate a Docker token. You can see your Docker token is generated. And don't forget to copy the token as it won't be shown again. Save it securely. Now, for some other reason, you don't want to use this token or this token is expired. So you want to delete this token. Click on these three dots. You can see three options: deactivate, edit or delete. I want to delete it. So I'll click on delete and delete token. Your dockerhub token is deleted successfully. That's it guys for today's tutorial on dockerhub. Now you know how to create a dockerhub account, creating and deleting repositories, or generating, deleting access tokens. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to DevOps Desk. Let us know in the comments what topic you would like us to cover in the next sessions. See you in the next video.